Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact printer model and the operating system so you fetch the correct driver. Once done, connect the printer by USB or ensure it's on the same Wi-Fi as your PC. Make sure you have administrator rights and close any applications that might use the printer to avoid file locks. Next, open the manufacturer's drivers/support page and locate the latest driver package for your OS. Do not rely on generic drivers. Download the correct installer and keep track of the folder where it saves. Run the downloaded installer with administrator privileges so files replace old drivers cleanly. If the installer asks, choose the full driver package rather than a basic driver for better feature support. During prompts, note connection options. Select USB if directly connected or network if using Wi-Fi. Preserve your existing settings when asked to avoid reconfiguring preferences. If the installer stops services, allow it to do so once installation finishes. Restart both the printer and your computer when prompted to finalize driver registration. After reboot, print a test page to verify functionality and open Device Manager or System Settings to confirm the new driver version is installed. You want to see the correct model name and no warning icons. If printing still fails, rerun the installer or use the manufacturer's cleanup/uninstall tool to remove remnants before reinstalling. As a key troubleshooting tip, try a different USB port, a new cable, or reset the printer's network settings. These simple changes often resolve driver handshake problems and let the updated driver work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.